It's barely 7 o'clock. The chicken is up. Hey, up. See, caught in the act. You better get down. Come on. Come on. Yesterday, I had an outbreak where all 3 chicken was out multiple times. Okay, multiple times, and I couldn't figure it out because little Georgina over there can never fly. Okay, these 2 can. That one for sure, as you can see, she was ready. She was ready. If I didn't come out here, she would have flew over. But yes, Georgina was out free yesterday multiple times, and I figured it out. Let me show you real quick. Let me go get their treats. Morning, ladies. It has been extremely rainy, as you can see, and windy. That's why the backyard looks like this. Plus the lawn guy, because of the rain, had not been able to come to cut the grass. Let me get the treats. Yes, the big 5-pound bag of Grubterra. Yes. Good morning. So, I was wondering what the heck, how the heck that had been able to get out. It took me a while, but I figured it out. Let me show you after I give them the treats. One more handful. There you go. 4 fistful. But let me show you. Okay, at first I thought they was digging, but I looked and looked and looked, and then I saw how high the fence is raised. I mean, I put a couple bricks here just to temporarily stop them, but the fence has been raised by a good 6 inches or more without me noticing, because I'm sure it's been going up slowly, because let me show you why. I staple the fence to the bamboo tree, and as the bamboo tree rise, grew taller, it lifts the fence higher. Okay, so yesterday I caught the chicken later. After 2 times, they were able to snuck out twice before without me figuring out where they were able to get out. But once I figured it out, temporarily I put the bricks down. As you can see, I did the same thing over there, because the fence is minimum higher. So now I'm gonna take the plier and remove the staple that I use, and then lower the fence again. And that will prevent them from getting out. And that's it. Have a wonderful day.